Okay, students, today we are going to see that as a continuation of the text file, and one more concept is there, removing white spaces after reading a file. Okay, so this is well familiar concept for you. So if we want to remove the space, which function will we can use it? Can you say what is the function can use in order to remove the spaces, white spaces?
Strip function.
Yeah, strip function. So there are, we already discussed in this chapter 2, L strip and R strip. Okay, and we have seen one example program also with the strip function. Okay, strip will remove, just merely strip function will remove both the sides, the leading and trailing. Leading means front. Okay, trailing means end of the string or end of the that is string only. Okay, so it will remove the spaces or white spaces or empty spaces from the string. Okay, both the sides, leading side as well as the trailing side, that is front and back also too. Okay, so we have seen three type of strip functions are there. Strip function as we discussed now, and L strip, you know that left hand side it will remove the spaces, we didn't give argument means. Okay, and R strip will remove the white spaces from right hand side. Okay, without passing any argument, it will remove the white spaces. Okay, this is for using, we will use in our file handling. Okay, if we are giving some space, in order to avoid the space means, we can use this function, strip function. Okay, let me go to the next thing. You know that, can anyone explain this one, because you know well familiar about this, the strip function. Tejavant, can you explain?
Sir,
Yeah, can you explain this program?
yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Main
First,
file is the file object, sir.
super. Okay, we are
And
assigning the file object
opening
for
a file.
IPL. Yes, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. We are opening a text file that IPL, sir.
Okay, okay. We didn't mention the mode, what its meaning. Mode we need to mention, no.
Yes, sir.
We didn't mention, that's what is the meaning.
It's both read and write.
No, that is, yes. What I'm coming to tell, if we didn't mention the mode means, students listen, if we didn't mention the mode, automatically the file will open in read mode. Okay, this is what I want to tell to you. Okay, what is the default file opening mode? If the question is asked, means which mode? Read mode. Okay, so if you didn't mention the mode means, then automatically the file will open in reading mode, that is R mode. Okay, read mode it will open. We cannot able to write
Sir,
anything into it. Write mode, if you want to open means, we need to mention W, that is we should mention the mode. Okay, by default mode
okay,
I said,
sir.
by default mode it will open in a read mode. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, you can continue, Tejo. Tejo.
Yes, sir. And for line 1, they are assigning the read line values, sir, of my file.
Okay, good.
And then they are printing the length of the line 1, sir.
Okay. And then next line.
And then next line they are using a strip function, sir. R strip.
Okay. R strip. What is the use of R strip? Explain to our friends.
It will remove the right side of the string.
Super, very nice. So R strip. Then what they are asking? You can see they are passing on argument. No, what is argument?
It's next line, sir.
Okay. So it will not only remove the white spaces. What it will remove? The entire extra lines. For example, the line is there, first few 10 characters only we typed. Okay, after the many spaces are there, no, the entire rest of the line, so that line will be, that the empty spaces will be removed. That is the use of /n if we give means. Yes, please proceed.
And then they are printing the length of it after applying the R strip.
That is, before they are asking to print the length, then after also they are asking to print the length of the thing. Yes, please.
And then line 2, they are assigning again the read line, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So read line, what it will do? It will read the second line. Suppose this is the file for Mumbai Indians and space Chennai Super Kings. This is the two lines. And second line, what will happen? Can you say?
They are printing the length of it, sir. The
Okay.
second line.
Yeah. Then.
And then they are using the L strip, sir, which
Okay.
removes the left
Yes.
side of the space
Okay.
string.
Left side means
And then they are
leading or trailing. Can you say the word terms leading
leading,
or
sir.
trailing? Very good. Leading.
Leading.
Good. Okay. Because before Chennai, spaces are there, no. So the leading spaces will be deleted by
Removed.
using the L strip. Yes, good. Then again, it's printing the length of the line. You can see the output. Very nice. I really given up claps to you, Tejavant. Nicely explained this program. Superb. Okay, daily I'm planning to do asking one student to explain one program. Then I also come to know that how much you understood, and your friends also easily they can understand. Okay, that is a what. Okay, Tejavant, good. And next we come to the important concept, that is file pointer. Okay, what is file pointer means? It is a cursor. Okay, whenever we are typing in our Word, MS Word or whatever thing, we are seeing the cursor. What's the cursor is denoting? What is the use of cursor? Can anyone say?
To point something or select or something.
Very good, very good. Where the pointer, that is called pointer. Okay, to point where we need to do some action. For example, if you are placing the cursor in between the two words, if you started to type any word means any letters means where it will start, where the cursor is placed, from that place onwards it started to type. Okay, if you are typing means, okay, whatever action we are doing, the cursor will be important one, because that only determine where the action want to be started. That is the important point. Okay, the cursor here we have to say in normal MS Word or whatever documentation, we have to say it is a cursor. Now we have to call it as a pointer. Okay, especially we have to say it is a file pointer. The file pointer determines the action where it need to start. Okay, for example, we have seen this. I will show this. This is an image. Okay, Mumbai Indians, the notepad you can see IPL. Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings. Okay, suppose the cursor is after the Chennai, on space is there. No, in the space one I kept the cursor. Okay, not manually, by program. Okay, if I kept the cursor, afterwards I'm using the read line function. What will happen? Suppose if I use the same read line function means, what will happen? Super Kings only print. Suppose by using the read line function, I asking to print the data also. As you seeing in the file, no, that is my file dot read line line 2. Okay, so again I am asking to print the line 2. What, not length of the line 2, directly line 2 I want to print means Super Kings only printed. Okay, because the cursor is there. After that, we are asking to print the second line. So before the cursor, the whatever the content will be, it will be omitted. So cursor plays a very important role. Here we have to say it is a not cursor, file pointer. Let me come to the topic. Okay, so now I hope you understand what is the importance of file pointer. Okay, you can see every time you can read this statement. Every file maintains a file pointer which tells the current position of the file. Okay, where reading and where to write, that is where to read or where to write, where to do the operations. Okay, that is maintained by the file pointer. Okay, file pointer is not a mega thing, it's merely for your understanding cursor. Okay, if you understand like that only, you can easily do the operations, you can create a program also. Okay, so then next thing, when we perform any read or write operations, uh, the operations at the current position of the file pointer. Suppose initially whenever we are starting time, whenever we are opening the file in read mode, okay, there the pointer will be there, means at the start 0th position, first position it will be there, automatically it will goes. Okay, then suppose we are writing a file is contain 2 lines. Okay, we are using the read line function, we are reading the first line, then first line will be read. After that, where the cursor should be there, or else a file pointer should be there before the next character, isn't it? We have seen one example program long back. Can you recall that program? I think Chandru also had the doubt before why it is not printed outputs are that we had a discussion. Can you recall that incident? Once we read all the lines, again we are asking to read line. Then the output is nothing, because once all the lines are read means, then cursor will be come to the last position. After that, we are asking to read line means no data, no content will be there. That's why it is not reading. We have seen one example program. Can you recall that program? Can you able to recall? Remember that program? Hello.
No, sir.
I don't know what happening between. Okay, let me see this. Okay, now this is likewise we have to the cursor will be positioned. For example, whenever we are opening a file, okay, already the content is there. We are opening the file for read purpose means the cursor will be at the first position. Okay, for example, after we are reading read 10. If you give means read function will read what character wise it will read. Read 10 means what will happen? First 10 character it will be read. Okay, let I will show one example program. Students, please tell yes or no or anything. If you respond means then only I can understand whether you understood or not. If you be quiet means how can I understand whether you understood the concept? Can you say?
Sir, we understood, sir.
Okay. Ajit, what about Ajit Kumar? Did you understand the concept? It's not, I think audio is not for him. I think so. Okay. Let me go for the next one. What about Sham? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you have to ask students, not only for mentioning student, all the students I'm saying, you please ask your queries. If you understand means say yes. Okay. If you not understand means you can ask. Chandru only very proper in this area because he didn't understand. I didn't understand. So can you repeat again? Likewise, he is the first person I'm seeing in the group very nicely. He's asking it out. Very good. Okay, let me go to the. I will show one example program to you. Then you can see that. I will write already open one file. I will just closing that. Let me create a new file. One minute. In order to understand the pointer, okay, that is the use of to understand the okay. For example, we are going to open a new file. Can you say that how to create a new file? Open a new file. Can you say the file object? As usual, we will give a equal to open a file. So we are going just opening a new file. I'm just giving a new, that is a file name. Okay, .txt file I'm opening. File name is new. Okay, then I'm just opening in write mode. Okay, then I'm writing something. S equal to, I'm just giving. How are you? I'm just giving the sentence. S equal
So
to.
is equal to போடல sir.
Very good, Chandru. Very good. Okay, then we are writing it a dot write of. I'm writing the data into the file. So I'm just wrote it. I'm just again closing the file. Okay. So whenever I'm closing the file, which function will be called automatically? Can you say?
Flush.
Implicit. Very good. Plus function will be called implicitly or automatically. Okay. Very good. Okay. Let me see this. So we wrote the content into the file. Again, I'm just going to open a file in read mode. Okay. So a1 dot open of, open the same file, new.txt file I'm just opening, but in read mode, sorry. But in read mode, I'm just opening it. Okay. Then s1 equal to a1 is a file handle is a1 dot read function. So read of 5 character. I want to read only 5 character. Then I'm just asking the print s1. Okay. Then next s2 equal to, I'm just explaining this program in order to understand about the pointers. Okay. So a1 dot again read function I'm using, read of 10. I'm just giving again 3. Okay, 3 characters I'm asking to read. Just printing the data, print of s2. Then I'm closing the file. a1 dot close. Sorry. Okay. So now I am saving this file. I'm just giving a sample file. That is a file name I'm just giving. I'm running this file now. Oh, A1 is not defined. What's the problem? Can you say? Here, what is the thing? A1 equal to.
Sir, is equal to borderless, sir.
Yes, good.
A1
So I'm just running this program again. You can see, first thing, I'm just writing the file. First, you can understand. So new.txt, I'm just opening a new file in write mode. Okay. So I'm writing the data. I return in the data. Hi, how are you? This is the content. Okay. 1 minute. This was the content I return into the file. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Yeah, this is the output. Now we are just you can see this. I'm just a dot write of yes. So I'm writing the content to that. I close the file also. Okay. Next thing you can see A1 by using the A1 file handle file object. I'm opening the file same file in read mode. Okay. So you can see S1 equal to A1 dot read of 5. Read of 5 means first 5 character I'm asking to read. Okay. What are the first 5 character? You can see this. First one is what? Hi space, one space only, HO. Okay. Then how many characters are there? You can see the output. I'm side by side showing
5
the
characters,
things.
sir.
Okay. HI 2 space, sorry, HI 2 character, 1 space, and HO. Okay, totally 5 characters. It's read. I'm asking to print the S1 because S1 is a variable, receives the file. You can see that. 1 minute. Now you can understand better. Okay. Oh, you can see this. Oh my God. Again. Okay, not an issue. Let you see this. HIHO. You can see in the output prompt. In this next line, you can see this. Okay. Then S2 dot A1 dot read. Now cursor will be already read the 5 character. No, hi HO. In the how are you HO, the cursor will be placed between the and before the W. Okay. Next I am asking to read. What is the thing? 3 characters I asking to read. So W1 character, space 1 character, and A is another character. So it read the 3 character. Then cursor will be there. Sorry, not we should not say cursor. It's a pointer. Pointer will be there. Where the pointer will be? After A. In the hi, how are you is the content. No, after the A, you can see this program screen. I'm just placing the pointer. Okay. So after A or before R, the pointer will be there. Next I'm asking to read line function or read the next character means what will be the output? Can you say that if I run this program, what will be the, if I asking to write the read line or read function means what will be get print? Can you say the output?
Sir, not audible, sir.
Remaining everything will be printed. So
How everything will be print? Already HAI space HOW space A is printed already. Now pointer is where? Literally the pointer is there. Where it is? Again, I'm maximizing this function. 1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, voice is not audible, sir.
1 minute. You can see this, where it is. Pointer is where?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me the answer. Already HI, how are printed, A also printed. After that, we are asking to print some data means RE, then what is the thing? YOU, that data will be get printed. No, can you understand that? Can you understand the pointer concept? File
sir,
pointer
the
concept.
screen is not visible, sir.
Students say something.
Sir, we are not unable to see the
Have
screen,
you
sir.
understood or not?
Sir, screen sharing stopped, sir. Sir,
Hello.
sir,
Sir.
Okay, fine. I
sir.
hope you understand that. What is the problem you are facing it? Can you understand?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Oh, screen is not shared. How is it visible?
Sir, now it is okay, sir. Now it's okay, sir.
People said something. 1 minute, I didn't. Okay, now it is visible. Sorry, in between screen is not shared. That's the reason.
Hello, sir.
Now you understand, know where it is. Okay, some audio problem. Let will be conclude this. So now you can understand. First read 5 means we are reading the first 5 character, then first 5 character only get printed. Next cursor will be there. Okay, then hi space ho space I mean one cursor is there. No, literally I am showing that. Okay, then what will happen? Next we are asking to read the, you can see this s2 equal to a1 dot read of 3. Again we are asking to read the 3 character. So it will not read from starting onwards because it is the same file. No, so it will not read from the starting onwards because the file pointer is after the ho. Okay, there only the pointer is there. From that it is starting to read the 3 characters, that is w space a. So 3 characters will be read, that will be printed in s2. Okay, that will be stored in s2. We are asking to print the s2 variable, then w space a will be get printed. We have seen the output also. Once again I'm running for you. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. You can see this output. Okay, hi, then space ho will be printed, and next line s2, where what is the data stored in s2 means w space a, that 3 variables, 3 characters are read. Okay, after that again we are asking to read means it will read from the, not from starting, after a. What is after a? re space you. This content will be get printed. Okay, I hope you understand this file concept. Okay, pointer concept. Okay, let
Yes,
us go to
sir.
the slide. Yeah, for now only I'm hearing your voice. I'm very happy to hear the voice. Okay, so that what they are saying, that by default you can see the by default where will be the pointer will be there means the starting character of the file. Okay, the file contains a number of characters, not an issue. At the starting position by default the pointer will be there. From that it is it will be started to execute. Okay, can you understand that file concept? You can see read one means what will happen? First 1 character will be read, so after m the cursor will be there. So if I asking to print the second character means read 1, again I'm asking to give the statement means u will be get printed, pointer will be moved to the next position. Okay, this concept is very important. After that we are going to see one function, that is seek function. seek, seek function we are going to see. That is the function using to keep the pointer. Manually we can change the pointer from one position to another position. That is the use of seek function, that I will teach later. Whenever we come to the binary file, that time I will teach you. Okay, so these are all the modes. Let me come to the conclusion. These are all the file modes, and you can see this r plus rb. What is rb? Can you say what is the meaning of rb? What is the meaning of RB? R means read only. RB means binary. Okay, read binary. RB plus means read and write in binary file. Okay, then W writing mode, W plus, WB, these are all the modes for your glance. Okay, Then A mode is append mode. AB means we are opening the file in binary mode. Okay, so far we didn't thought about the binary file. I only thought the text file, txt file. Okay, it's not by the extension. Generally we discuss about only the text file. Upcoming next class onwards we are going to see about the binary files. Then finally one more file is there, that is CSV file. Okay, so 3 files operations we completed means that's all the chapter will be get over. Okay, let me go to this next one. And standard input and output error stream. Okay, this is a basic concept. Just only one program is enough for that. You want to know what is the standard input. What is the standard input function? Device is keyboard. Standard input device is keyboard. Standard output is monitor, and error also monitor. Okay, standard error device also. Okay, where the error will be displayed. That is a basic concept. Okay, let me see this. STD in means standard input. This is a term you want to understand. Okay, STD in means standard input. You can see the cursor. Okay, STD out means standard output. Okay, STD ERR means standard error. Okay, let me see one example program. This standard in, standard out, standard error, this functions and all, where it is defined means it is defined in the system module. Okay, SYS module. Okay, let you see this program, you can understand. Imports is, we are importing the system module as usual. You can you explain, anyone can explain this program, or else I will mention the name. Why not? Email, is it possible by you? Can you explain this program? Is it possible? Or Inder, can you explain this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please explain this.
My file is object, sir.
Very good.
File object, sir.
Okay.
Line 1 is
We are opening the file in which mode? Read mode. We open the file. Good.
read mode.
Yes, yes. Then next.
2 files are open, sir.
Okay. 2 files opening. Where is?
One file, but 2 lines, sir.
The file contain 2 lines. L1, line 1 is a variable. Which is the variable what we stored? First line, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then line 2 stores the second line. Okay, good. Then I will tell Pa. Okay, instead of write, how to directly we are writing into the write means here it is not meaning to write into the file. We are printing it. Generally, how will you print? We are using the print function to display something. We are using what? Print statement. To get input, what is the default function we are using? If you want to get the input from the user means. My question is, what is the, so far we used a print statement to display or to print something. So to some statement, if you want to print means we are using the print function. Okay, to get the input, we are using the input function. Am I right? Did you understand the concept? We are using the input function in order to get the input. Now in this concept we are seeing std in and std out. Okay, std in means input we are getting. Std out means output means output. Yeah, we are printing the output. Okay, you can see this system dot sy is a module name. Okay, so sys dot standard out. I already said out means it is like a print statement. Okay, we are asking to write into the screen. Default thing is what is the default out standard output device? Monitor. So that will be get printed. Write line 1. Line 1 is what? Mumbai Indians get printed /n. It will be added in order to come to the next line. Okay, then again second line will be printed. In the previous file you have remember that before Chennai Super Kings some spaces are there. That's what it is printing that. Okay, standard error. What is the error means? No error found. We are customizing the message. If any error is there means it will display that error. If no error means it will print this message. Then finally we are closing the file.